So hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I want to talk about uploading many ads into Craigslist into multiple cities. Some of you have asked me how they can manage the different profiles and the different accounts to post onto multiple cities and how to work with the proxies and everything. So this video is to explain that. This case, we have here our software. In this case, it's Craigslist auto posting software. You can access it to go and posting Craigslist, Craigslist auto posting. So this is the first thing that you get. Now, whenever you are posting nationwide or whatever, what you will have to make sure is that your accounts are from the same city, your proxies are from the same city, your ads are from the same city, and your campaigns. So the first thing that you will have to do is probably creating your ads with the campaigns that you need to do. So first of all, we're going to create the campaigns just so you have them ready. So we click here on new ad, and then this is going to open the window to start filling out our ads. Here we have our campaigns. In this case, we remove those campaigns, then we select that one and we remove it. So now we don't have any campaign. So if you are posting nationwide, what I want you to do is create campaigns by city. In this case, I'm going to create a city that is going to be New York. Then I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to create a new campaign, call it Los Angeles, and I'm going to create as many campaigns depending on how many cities I want to post. In this case, I would say you do less than 12 because that's the number of profiles that you have. So that's kind of a limit in a sense, but you could even go further than that. But just like limit yourself to posting on 12 cities. So at this point, just because it's just easier to manage, if you go further than that, then you will need another computer with another setup, so you could post on more cities. Okay, so then I just will do another city. In this case, I'm going to do Chicago. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my three cities. I will just add one more. I'm going to add Miami. Okay, so here I have my four cities that I'm going to be posting on. So the first thing, I need ads. In this case, I'm going to create some ads by stealing the ads from my competitors. In this case, this is just to get ads very quick, so you could use them in your postings. So I click open, and then what I'm going to do is I just select a random city, and then I just click get ads. Basically, this is going to pull me the ads, and then these are the ads. I'm going to use this ad for my postings. This is just to make it quick. Just remember here, if we put New York, then we're going to fill out the New York information here. New York, sublocation, whatever. And then you fill out everything with the information for New York. New York 21000. Basically, you fill out everything the way it's supposed to go to the category and everything, and you save it. Okay? So here I have my ad from New York. I'm going to have this ad under the campaign New York. So I'm going to create multiple New York ads by just duplicating this ad. In this case, your ad will have to be different. I will just do it just for a matter of this example. So now you have New York, then I duplicate it as well, and I choose campaign New York as well. So that's my three ads from New York. I will just do maybe 50 or 60 ads from New York, and then 60 ads from another city, another 60 ads from a different city. The idea that is many ads is so they don't get duplicated or they don't get posted two times. So now I just choose a different one. So this, I just click use this ad. Then this one, instead of putting it on New York, I'm going to put it on Los Angeles. So same thing, I look for Los Angeles. So then I choose the different thing. and then I put my postal code Los Angeles. Here is just the number of the postal code. I just put that like as an example. I fill out my ad and everything. So now here we have Los Angeles. So we duplicate the ad, we save it, we duplicate the ad, we save it. So at this point, you see that I have one ad for one city. In this case, is New York. Another ad for other city, which is Los Angeles. And I'm going to just continue doing the same thing for the other ones. So I choose another ad here. Use this ad, and then the next city is going to be Chicago. I will fill out here Chicago. Then I just fill out the sublocation. I fill out the neighborhood. The postal code, I put whatever. I put the real postal code, don't put whatever. Then you select the information, you save the ad. So then you have another ad for Chicago. Here is the ad. So I just duplicate this ad, and I save it. Duplicate the ad, and I save it. So I'm just going to do this duplication thing one more time, but instead of saving it for Chicago, I'm going to save it for Miami. So I click Miami. You will change this to Miami. Uh, in this case, it's South Florida. South Florida. So you fill out that, then you select Miami. If there is neighborhood, you select the postal code, and then you save everything. Okay. So now we have this is for Miami, so you duplicate that as well. So so at this point, this is just as a sample. So imagine that you have multiple ads for multiple cities and multiple categories. So these three ads belong to New York, these three ads belong to Los Angeles, these three ads belongs to Chicago, and these two ads belong to Miami. In this case, you will have more than these ones that I just created. This is just to show you how it will work. So now that you have all your ads for all the cities where you want to post, you will just come back here on the information, and you have this sample text file. So I show the information here. So what I'm going to do, it's because I already have my ads. That's why I created before. So whenever I go into campaign, I just select here the campaign that I want. In this case, the first campaign that I want is New York. So I'm going to fill out my contact name, a phone number from New York, an email for New York, and then I just call this New York email 1, and then you just copy this and just put New York email 2. In this case, you will call it for your accounts for New York. So you will use account number 2, account number 3, and this doesn't matter right now, but if you wanted to save your posting hours, you could save them, and you have that. So the only thing that we are missing are proxies from New York. So what we do is, because we have this Proxify integration, we go to United States, and then we go to look for New York proxies. So we just look for them. So here I have the New York proxies. So I choose one of the New York proxies, I add it to the list, then I look for another one, I add it to the list, and then I look for another one. So this is so each account has its own IP. So I copy this proxy, and I'm going to paste it onto the account number 1. Then I go to this, and I copy it to the account number 2. And then I go here and copy the tier 1 in the account number 3. So at this point, what you will have is that you will have all your ads that belongs to New York, your New York accounts with your phone number from New York, and you will have your proxy that belongs to New York. Every account has a different proxy, so it doesn't seem that you're posting too much from one account, from one IP, sorry. So at this point, we save everything. We just put contact name New York, phone number for New York. In this case, you put your phone number and your email. So this profile is going to be called New York. So just save it, okay? So now you have a new profile called New York. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to close this and open it back again. It's I just go Craigslist to posting, and then here I have my New York profile. Okay, so I have my New York profile. Then I have to create another one for Miami. So I choose Miami here on the campaign, and then I just will start modifying this. So this is Miami account number 1, Miami account number 2, Miami account number 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for proxies from Miami. So this open up, and then I just clear this so I don't have anything there, and I clear this. So here I'm going to look for Miami proxies. So or Florida. Let's just look for them. Miami, Miami. Okay, so actually, I think the ones that are from Miami are these from Tampa, from Florida. So I just select that one. I copy this proxy. Then I just put it on the first thing. Then I go and I grab another proxy from Florida. This is my second proxy. I paste it there. Then I go and I get my third proxy. So this is the third proxy. So I put the third proxy, and then basically what is going to happen is that now I have an account that belongs to Miami. All my funds are activated on Miami. My proxies are from Miami or from Florida, and I will change my phone number for Florida. And basically I have all my ads from Miami, South Florida. So what I'm going to do now is this profile, I'm going to save it as Miami, and I save it. So basically, as you saw, I have a profile for Miami, a profile for New York. I'm just going to continue doing the same thing, change everything for Chicago, and then change my proxies and change my phone number to Chicago, and then I save this to Chicago. So I click save, and finally, I will just do one more. In this case, it's the one that is going to be here, Los Angeles. Also, remember that you need to change the campaign and before you start writing your new accounts, so the campaigns get saved onto the profile. If you don't save the campaign, then it's not going to change automatically to choose only those ads. So just remember that. So we choose Chicago now, which is the profile that we're no, we have Chicago. So the one we're missing is Los Angeles. So we have Los Angeles, we choose the campaign Los Angeles. The reason we choose first campaign and then we choose the campaign Los Angeles is because we have our ads already created, so that allows us to select this campaign. If your ads is not created before this, then you won't see your campaigns here because the campaigns come from the campaign list of the ads. Okay, so I just want to say that. So now you have Los Angeles, you will change your information on your emails, your proxies, you select the times that you want, you change the name, you change the phone number, and you change the email here. So here, now you save this as Los Angeles. Okay, so basically I just will recapitulate. You create your ads, you create your profiles with the city that they should be on, and you put your in the profiles you put account of Miami with a proxy from Miami with a phone number from Miami, and you keep that together with your ads on Miami with the right postal code of Miami. So those things are very important. So you have to keep everything consistent. So if you post on Miami, you will have an IP that is going to be from Miami, so you won't get flagged. Your account will be created for a phone number on Miami, so you don't get flagged, and you will have a phone number from Miami, so that is going to everything is going to match. And because you're using different IPs, then that's every account is just going to log in one time with a different IP. It's going to log in 3 times to post 3 ads, but with the same IP for each account. So each account is personalized for that specific IP. So you always are logging in with the same IP. Okay, so now that we have all this set up, we can start placing our ads. In this case, what I would say is create 12 profiles for the different cities where you want to post. If you want to do more, then just create it on a separate computer, because this thing at 12 profiles is going to be posting all day. So if you want to post more than what I'm telling you, then another computer will be necessary. So you keep posting all day. So here, what you will do is you will go to the profile changer, and basically, because we created our profiles, we just click get profiles. What this is going to do is the information that it's on this drop down menu is going to be transferred over to these menus. So what you see here is that we can use 12 different profiles to change our ads right after we post. So we select the profile 1, the profile 2, the profile 3, and the profile 4 because we only have 4 cities that we created. If you created more than 4, then just go ahead and select everything. So here you will start with the city that you want to post in the very morning. So in this case, I want to post in Chicago. This will depend on your preference on when you want your ads posted. So then I just go to Los Angeles, then I go to Miami, and then I go to New York. In this case, I'm going to put the time here. So the Chicago is going to start at 8 o'clock in the morning. Then Los Angeles is going to start at 9:45. Then Miami is going to start at 11. New York is going to start at 1, and then you can add your other different profiles to your other different cities. And finally, you just click start posting. So here you can choose pretty much any time that you want. The only constraint that I would say is if you are using your 3 accounts for posting, when you are posting, you will have to select here use account number 2, use account number 3. You have to select use proxies, so it's going to be changing the proxies. So when you do this, because you're posting with 3 accounts, the time that is going to take is going to take every 10 minutes is going to post one ad. So what it's going to do is just going to come here at 8:05 whenever I start to post. So it's going to go to 08:05 like here, and then it's going to change everything to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then it's going to start posting at this time. So you see that the last post is at 9:25. So the post takes about 10 minutes each. So then it's going to finish around 9:35. So that means that my next posting will be at 9:45, because I want to give like 10 minutes to rest between one account or the other. If you wanted to give it more, then you just change the value. What I would say, just put like 2 hours between each account, and then you should be fine. I put 1:45 or one or whatever, but you could put 2 hours between every time it posts. So if you fill out all these profiles, what you will see is that you will post from 8 o'clock in the morning until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So you are posting all day in 12 different cities. So once this is done, you just have to click start posting, and then the program is going to go to the Chicago profile. It's going to select here Chicago, and it's going to show the information. Here is going to change to Chicago, Chicago, Chicago. The campaign is going to say Chicago, and then it's going to start. It's going to change the time for you to 8 in the morning, and then it's going to increase 10 minutes in between each ad. Then after, when it reaches at 9:45, it's going to change the profile to Los Angeles. So you will see the Los Angeles campaign. Now it's show. Then you will see the email for Los Angeles and Los Angeles, Los Angeles. Your proxies will change as well. And then Miami and then New York. So if you choose Miami, but in this case, I copy the Miami thing, but if you were to choose a different one, you'll see that it shows the New York information, the email, the proxies from New York, and it will just be changing the profile information, and it will be posting in Chicago, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, and then if you have more profiles, you will be selecting the other profiles there, and it will continue posting for you until 2 o'clock in the morning. So this way you make sure that your postings from Chicago are from from accounts from Chicago, from proxies from Chicago. Your ads will be on Chicago, and everything is related to Chicago in this case. So what I want you to see is that whenever you choose campaign here in New York, what the program does is it's going to show all the ads, but only for that city. So it's New York, and the ads that will be chosen randomly are the ads that are inside the campaign of New York. So this way you make sure that you are only posting for this account, you are only posting New York ads. For this account, you are only posting New York ads, and this account you are posting New York ads. So that's the reason I'm telling you that you need to have many ads for each city that you want to post on. So the ads doesn't repeat themselves very much. So basically, just it's a matter of having all the right settings prepared for your posting, and then once you set that up, you just have to come in the morning. This you will just choose any profile just at random. It will show you the information there. It doesn't matter what information it show you. Then because you already pre-fill all your profiles and everything, and you have all your ads already created and everything, the only thing you do is just go to the profile changer, get the profiles, use the check mark the profiles that you want to use, and then check mark the select the which city you want to post first. In this case, I want Chicago, Los Angeles, Miami, New York. Select your times. In this case, I already did that for you, so you could post from 8 in the morning until 2 o'clock in the morning. So you could just be, if you wanted to start later, you could change this later to whatever times you want. Just keep 2 hours between 2 hours or 1 hour and 45 minutes between each profile, and then just click start posting. And this thing is going to post for you automatically, and it will be posting on 12 different cities, all your ads, and you shouldn't get that much flag because each city is going to log in with its own IP. The only reason you might get flagged it's if you are posting the same ad over and over again. So that's why I'm saying just create many ads so you don't post the same thing over and over again. So this like finalizes this video about how you could just manage this to post on nationwide. So for example, this would post onto 12 cities. If you wanted to post into a different set of cities, another 12 cities, then you just do the same thing on another computer, and then you run them at the same time, and basically you will be posting at 8 o'clock in the morning on this computer in Chicago, and in another computer you could be posting on a different place. So that way you could just be posting all day, and you will have a lot of success posting nationwide. Also, one more thing, if you are doing this, just keep your ads a little bit different between all your different campaigns, so it doesn't seem that you are spamming Craigslist with the same ad over and over again. So thank you for buying this program. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, you can always contact me, and you can get the software on autopostingtools.com, which you already know. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.